What's going on, SC430 community? My name is Henry. Today's video, it's actually a sponsored video, believe it or not. This video is sponsored by Sponsor My Ride on Instagram and Auxito with LED lights. So they came out to me to do a sponsorship video for this brand of LED bulbs for the SC430. As you know, the SC430 is very, very specific when it comes to electrical related things, headlights included. So today we're going to be showcasing this. This should work with our headlights. Usually it's because of the wattages with LEDs, so this one is specifically designed so that it does work with our headlight ballast, which is the 35 watt. So in the box it's going to come with some gloves so we don't unintentionally touch the LED where we're not supposed to touch. There you go, looks like that. So we're going to show you how to put those in and show them off. So if you want to get yourself one of these guys, you can easily get them on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. But if you need a nice upgrade compared to, the kind of dimish lights for the SC430, this is the way to go. So tools we're going to need is a 10mm socket and ratchet, a prying tool for plastic fasteners, a Phillips head screwdriver, and I believe that is it, because it requires us to remove the bumper. We're not going to remove it entirely, but we're going to take apart about half of it, just so we can get it off to reach the bolts that hold down the headlight onto the car. Mine is modified. As you may know, Operation Frankenstein has been through a lot, so I kind of used a bunch of hardware that is not original to the car. But when I show you me taking the bumper partially apart, I'll make sure to let you guys know what exactly that piece of hardware is. But enough of that, let's get started and let's take off that bumper.
letting time fly. Can't stop, won't stop, hit the skyline while everybody else flies, cause I'm down right. Keeping things on lock, I'm about mine. Sipping 100 proof shots, letting time fly. Can't stay in one place, we been outside, going at it all day till it's nighttime. No, I can't see straight, but it's alright. I'm doing things my way. I'm up going out now, I'm up going out now, I'm up going. Stay out of my business, attitude switching, no speed limit, chrome heart dripping, righting my wrongs, brighten that picture. Future so blurry, couldn't frame it with a filter. You sort of don't know how I act, babe. Need some money in the city where the bags at. Took her out of work and now she never going back to it. Said it feels better when you come and put your hands on it. Oh yeah, don't got no money so you spending mine. Back to LA and now we going up. Came from the back and now we in the front. Still in the club and now you know we letting time fly. Can't stop, won't stop, hit the skyline while everybody else flies, cause I'm down right. Keeping things on lock, I'm about mine. Sipping 100 proof shots, letting time fly. Can't stay in one place, we been outside, going at it all day till it's nighttime. No, I can't see straight, but it's alright. I'm doing things my way. I'm going, I'm about mine. I'm going in one way. I'm going out now, I'm going out now, I'm going. Vibing, driving, four-wheel driving, smoking at the house, I can feel the heat rising. Time spent, wilding, need a psychiatrist. Your lies ain't a purse, baby, I am not buying it. Can't stop now, got too much motion. You hide your emotion. I'm fully loaded, don't act like I am just a drop in the ocean. You sort of don't know how to act, babe. Need some money in the city where the bags at. Took her out of work and now she never going back to it. Said it feels better when you come and put your hands on it. Oh yeah, don't got no money so you spending mine. Back to LA and now we going up. Came from the back and now we in the front. Still in the club and now you know we letting time fly. Can't stop, won't stop, hit the skyline while everybody else flies, cause I'm down right. Keeping things on lock, I'm about mine. Sipping 100 proof shots, letting time fly. Can't stay in one place, we been outside, going at it all day till it's nighttime. No, I can't see straight, but it's alright. I'm doing things my way.
There you guys have it. That's how you swap out your headlight bulbs using Auxito LED lights. So again, big shout out and big thank you to Alex and Auxito for reaching out to me and getting me these headlight bulbs, because now as you can see it's very, very bright compared to the other bulbs in the car now, so looks like I'm gonna have to do an upgrade in the future. But anyways, if you guys want to get your own, I'll leave a link in the description. And I hope to see you guys in the next video.